And oh wait, got some review in my mouth. I just got back from dinner and yeah, now I'm gonna be showing no wait, before I show you what I'm about to, then what was I gonna say? Forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yeah. I want to show you my Nintendo Switch box. That's right. This is my Nintendo Switch box. So, be normal. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So here, this says BH. This says IC with an exclamation mark and a winking pig. This has the exact same thing on the back, but it's, believe it, says Ben uses Nintendo Switch. It's cool with the exclamation mark and the winking pig again. I'm going to show you what's inside here. So this is what's inside. As you can see, I have these. So yeah, pretty cool. But I'm gonna keep them in here because this is where I keep them in case. Because that now, I just found a place to put them already. Ready. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. Oh, peace out. Oh wait. When I said oh, I was gonna say, oh, bye guys. Oh wait, never mind that, didn't I? But anyway, peace out.